As students, let's continue our multiplication word problems. Question is, a computer operator can compose 8,314 words in a day. A computer operator can compose 8,314 words in a day. In one day, he can compose 8,314 words. Then, how many words he can compose in 4 months? That is the question. Here, one number is given, that is in a day. That means in one day. The other number is given here in the question. It is given 4 months. So, first we have to convert the months into days. Okay, question you have to read very carefully. What is the question? A computer operator can compose 8,314 words in one day. Then, how many words he can compose in 4 months? That is what. So, when you read the question, you have to read again and again, and then you will understand. So, here in two different forms it is given. One is in one day and the other one is asking 4 months. So, first what we have to do is to convert that months into days. So, number of days is equal to, first we have to convert. 1 month is equal to how many days? That we have to find out. Okay, I am writing here. Okay, 1 month is equal to 30 days. 1 month is equal to 30 days. Then 4 months is given. So 4 into 30. 4 months into number of days in 1 month. Then we will get the number of days. So here in easy way I am doing. Okay, easy way, 4 3s are 12. Then I am putting this 0 in front. So number of days is equal to 120. You understand? I will repeat. Number of words can compose in one day is equal to 8,340. Then that computer operator can compose how many words in 4 months is the question. So first we have to convert month into days. So here 4 months. 1 month how many days? 30 days. Then in 4 months how many days? 4 3s are 12. Then this 0 we have to put in front. So 120 days. This is easy way of doing multiplication. Okay. So number of days is equal to 120. We got it. So now I will erase this. Now the third statement is what we have to find out is total number of words he can compose in 120 days. So we will write the statement, total number of days, total number of words, total number of words can be composed in how many days? 120 days. 120 days is equal to number of words in one day, that is 8,314 into number of days, that is 120. So let's do the multiplication. 8,314 into 120. This way also you can multiply, but to do it easy way. If there is 0, we can avoid that 0 and write only 12 and we can multiply, and then after getting the answer you can put one 0 in front. That is easy way. But for your understanding, this way only I am doing. Okay. So 0 4s are 0, 0 1s are 0, 0 3s are 0, 0 8s are 0. Okay. So to avoid this only I was telling you, just direct multiply by 12. Okay. So if you are able to do that way, you can do. Okay. So let's do this way only. 0 4s are 0, 0 1s are 0, 0 3s are 0, 0 8s are 0. Now 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. Now 1 4s are 4, 1 1s are 1, 1 3s are 3, 1 8s are 8. Now let's do the addition. 0, 0 plus 8, 0 plus 8 is equal to 8, 0 plus 2 is equal to 2, plus 4 is equal to 6, 0 plus 6 is equal to 6, plus 1 is equal to 7, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9, 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Now we got the answer, 9,97,680 words he can compose in 120 days. So let's write the last statement. Hence, the total number of words can be composed in 120 days is equal to 9,97,680 words. Okay. I repeat the question. A computer operator can compose 8,314 words in one day. Then how many words he can be composed in 4 months? First we have converted number of months into number of days. So 4 months, number of days in 1 month is equal to 30. So 4 months is equal to 120 days. So we wrote the statement, number of words can be composed in a day is equal to 8,340. Number of days is equal to 120. Total number of words can be composed in 120 days is equal to 8,340 into 120 days. That we have multiplied here and we got the answer 9,97,680. So last statement we wrote, hence the total number of words can be composed in 120 days is equal to 9,97,680. Here already mentioned words, so I have erased the words which I wrote in the last. Okay, once again, hence the total number of words can be composed in 120 days is equal to 9,97,680. This is the answer. Our question is, one cartoon can hold 15 dozen oranges. Then how many oranges can be packed in 825 cartoons? If one cartoon can hold 15 dozen oranges, then how many oranges can be packed in 825 cartoons? That is the question. Here there is something you need to notice is, in one place it is said number of oranges, in one place it is said dozen. that is 15 dozen. Okay, so here what we have to find is number of oranges can be packed in 825 cartons. It is not asked in dozen, it is numbers. So we have to convert that dozen into numbers. 1 dozen is equal to how many oranges? 1 dozen is equal to 12. So let's write 1 dozen is equal to 12 numbers. Okay, so 15 dozen into 15 into 12 is equal to 15 dozen means how many oranges we have to find out. So 15 into 12, let's do 2 5s are 10, 1 balance, 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3, 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, 1 as it is. So 180 oranges. So here in bracket we can write 180. Okay. Now I will erase this. Now let's continue. So number of oranges in one cartoon 180. Then how many oranges can be packed in 825 cartons? So we have to find total number of oranges can be held or packed. Okay, can be packed in 825 cartons is equal to 180, that is number of oranges in one cartoon, into number of cartons, that is 825. Now let's do the multiplication. 825 into 180. The last digit is 0, so all 0 will be there. Okay, all in the zeros. Now 8 5s are 40, 4 bars, 8 2s are 16, plus 4 20, 2 bars, 8 8s are 64, 64 plus 2 66, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 8s are 8. And we have to do the addition. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 6 plus 8 is equal to 40. 1,48,500 oranges can be packed in 825 cartons. So we will write the last statement. Hence, the total number of oranges can be packed in 825 cartons is equal to 1,48,500 cartons. Hence, the total number of oranges can be packed in 825 cartons is equal to 1,48,500. If one cartoon can hold 15 dozen oranges, then 825 cartoons can be held how many oranges? That is the question. So, number of oranges one cartoon can hold is equal to 15 dozen, that we have converted into numbers, that is 180 numbers. The number of cartoon is equal to 825. Total number of oranges can be packed in 825 cartons is equal to 180 into 825. After doing the multiplication, we got the answer 1,48,500. So, last statement is, hence the total number of oranges can be packed in 825 cartons is equal to 1,48,500. Our question is, a candle factory produced 814 candles in one day. Then how many candles this factory produced in 1 year? The question, you have to listen carefully. What is the question? A candle factory produced 814 candles in 1 day. Then how many candles this factory produced in 1 year? One is in 1 day and the other one is in year. So first we have to convert the year into days. 1 year is equal to 365 days. So we have to write this solution. Number of candles produced in 1 day is equal to 814. Number of days is equal to 365. That is 1 year is equal to 365. Total number of candles produced in 365 days is equal to 814 into 365. 814 is number of candles produced in 1 day into number of days. Number of days in 1 year is equal to 365 days. So let's do the multiplication. 814 into 365. 5 fours are 20. 2 balance. 5 ones are 5 plus 2 7. 5 eights are 40. 6 fours are 24. 2 balance. 6 ones are 6 plus 2 8. 6 eights are 48. 3 fours are 12. 1 balance. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4. 3 eights are 24. Let's do the addition. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11 plus 0 is equal to 11. 1. Then 1 balance. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 plus 8 is equal to 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. 1 balance. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. 13 plus 4 is equal to 17. 1 balance. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Then 2 as it is. 2,97,110 candles can be produced in 365 days. So let's write the statement. Hence, the total number of candles produced in 365 days is equal to 2,97,110. The question is, a candle factory produced 814 candles in 1 day. Then how many candles can be produced in 1 year? First we have converted 1 year into number of days. That is, 1 year is equal to 365 days. So we wrote the statement. Number of candles produced in 1 day is equal to 814. Number of days is equal to 1 year is equal to 365. Total number of candles produced in 365 days is equal to 814 into 365. We got the answer 2,97,110. Hence, the total number of candles produced in 365 days is equal to 2,97,110. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to stay tuned.